Hi, in front of me is Realme C21 and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this Realme device. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Now you need to choose App Cloner and pick one of the available apps. I will go with Facebook. After that, click on the switcher next to Create App Clone, wait, and tap on Rename App Clone. Over here, type whatever you want to. I will go with some numbers, and tap Save. So now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!